The Magic Powder. A young couple, Li Sheng and Guang, lived in a Chinese village near the river. Li Sheng spent all his time experimenting. He wanted to turn dust into gold. Soon, he wasted all his money. Guang was worried. One day, Li Sheng and Guang went to meet Zhang San, Guang's father. He said to Li Sheng, "I know how to turn dust into gold." Li Sheng was happy. Zhang told Li Sheng to get a bowl full of silver powder found on the banana leaves. Plant the bananas yourself. He taught Li Sheng magic words to say while planting. The next day, Li Sheng planted the saplings on his field and said those magic words. He took good care of the saplings and soon they grew into trees. Li Sheng started collecting silver powder from the banana leaves. After a few years, he managed to collect a bowl of silver powder. Li Sheng took the bowl to his father-in-law. "Now teach me how to convert this into gold." Zhang laughed and said that it had already been converted. Zhang said, "While you were gathering the powder, Guang was busy selling the bananas." Zhang overturned the pouch he had in his hand. A lot of gold coins fell in a pile. Li Sheng no longer collected the magic powder, but he continued to grow bananas. Moral of the story: hard work is the key to success.